speech. He spoke about the number of people who can actually meet. And we are saying the same thing about every other gathering, not just a political gathering, but every other gathering. That the restrictions are clear and they have been made every day, and we announce here every day. And to go out to the street and call people for a political rally is not just an insult to leadership, but it is also, in a manner of speaking, sending the very bad signals and setting an extremely bad example. And we have said this, and we have said to people, Kenyans, please, don't go to those rallies. Do not attend those rallies. If you go to those rallies, you will fall sick. And there is no point of beating around the bush. And I want to be very honest with Kenyans, because sometimes people tell me, Kagwe, go and be nice. I've tried to be as nice as possible. But what is the point of being nice to a dead person? We want to be alive. I'd rather be hard and get Kenyans living than be nice and have Kenyans dying. That's not the intention at all. So please, when people call you for those meetings, and you can see very well, and you go there and you can see that the spacing is wrong, you attend, the other day I was told there's a big funeral, and somebody was telling me with a lot of glee, you know, about how big the funeral was attended. And I asked them, where were you sitting? Oh, right there in the middle of the funeral. Were people wearing masks? A few. What was the distancing? Oh, no distancing. In fact, at the final stages, we were all crowding around. And I told him, even the dead, if they rose up and saw what you are doing, they will turn in their graves. Because when a person has already departed, I think it behoves those of us who are left to ensure that we protect those who are alive. And I am aware that customs, we Africans, have specific customs. And we have got very deep feelings in times like those. But I'm just appealing. I'm appealing to you. Even as we observe our customs, let us first save our lives.